Okay, this is where it comes in out of the basement area or the walkout. Goes up through the deck, through the top part of the second level, and on up there. And boy, when it gets cold, that whole column fills up full of cold air. And it's a real bear to get started. As it come in here, and you can see where it comes up through the house, and there's another 90, and that thing just fills up. But then I put one of these draw collars on there. It plugs in back here. And this morning I gave it a test run. I didn't run it the day before and all night, and it was -1 this morning. And I put a little teeny tiny fire in there, and that thing drew immediately. Didn't have any smoke, any cold air coming down, nothing. And it forced that all up through there. I've had this for a week or so, and I finally got to give it a good test, but John walked me through what I needed to do and the size of the pipe, and I'd really recommend it because it is a bear. Even when it gets down to -21 and the wind chill factor, I have to just basically use a torch to warm the whole thing up, and that takes lots of time. So if you're wanting to put something on there to cure that problem, there you go.